Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 automatically waking up from sleep. First step is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click your network adapter or Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer. Second method is which device cause waking up. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, /last wake. If any device is listed under last wake, uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer option. Third step is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand Sleep, click and expand Allow Wake Timers, change to Disable, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.